A very warm welcome to you all to this YouTube channel. This is Class 7 Biology Chapter 1 CBSE. So, the name of the chapter is Nutrition in Plants. So, let's start reading. In Class 6, you learned that the food is essential for all living organisms. You also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. These components of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients. So here it's telling that components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components in our food, and these are very necessary components in our diet. So these are known as nutrients. And we all know that food is very essential to all living organisms to survive. All living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves, but animals, including humans, cannot. So, every organism requires food to sustain, to live a life, but plants are the only organisms that can make their food on their own. But animals cannot. Animals are dependent on plants or on animals for their food. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. So, इसका मतलब हम लोग as humans and animals जो हमारे इधर उधर हैं, they all ये सारे plants पे dependent होते हैं. Like जो लोग consume non-veg करते हैं, they are dependent on animals, and जो लोग vegetarians होते हैं, they are dependent on plants and the produce which is formed by the plant. So, directly or indirectly, we humans and animals, we both are dependent on plants. Let's now read further. The next topic we are going to study is mode of nutrition in plants. So, इसका मतलब plants में nutrition कैसे होता है? Plants are the only organisms that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. तो जैसा कि हमने ऊपर पढ़ा था कि प्लांट्स ही वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जो अपना फूड खुद बना सकते हैं. तो 3 फैक्टर का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है अपना फूड खुद बनाने के लिए: वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड मिनरल्स. 3 factors are used by the plants to make their food on their own, and that are water, carbon dioxide, minerals. The raw materials are present in their surrounding. Raw materials like water, carbon dioxide, minerals, which are required by the plants to make their food, these all are present in the surrounding of the plants. The nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged part of their bodies, and to provide energy to carry out life processes. So this in very simple terms means nutrients which are consumed by organisms, it helps in building their bodies first, to grow second, to repair damaged part of their bodies third, and fourth is to provide energy to carry out all other life processes. Let's read further. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. So this is the exact definition for nutrition. Nutrition is in all total a mode through which organisms take in food, and it is the food which they take in is utilized by the body. That's it. So further we are going to study the modes of nutrition. There are 2 modes of nutrition: heterotrophic mode and autotrophic mode. As the word itself says, autotrophic, when we divide the word into 2 parts, it is auto, which means self, and trophs means nourishment, like self nourishment. And when we look at the word heterotrophic, and when we break it, when we take heteros and tropic, heteros means by others and tropic means nourishment. So nourishment by others. So let's read it out. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms consume simple substances which are not very complex and make their food is known as autotrophic nutrition. Therefore, plants are known as autotrophs because they take in simple substances like carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Animals and most other organisms take in ready-made food prepared by plants. They are called heterotrophs. So animals and all other organisms which take in complex food which is already ready made and which is prepared by plants, so they are called heterotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. And now let's read further. So all these questions must be arising in your mind: whether food is made in all parts of a plant or only in certain parts, how do plants obtain the raw materials from the surrounding, how do they transport them to the food factories of the plant. Because saying in genuine terms, all plants are a stationary body, they are stable. So we need to understand all these factors. So to find an answer to all these questions, you need to stay tuned to our YouTube channel and wait till the next video comes. Thank you.